We have an official confirmation on the deaths that have taken place because of the stampede at the New Delhi railway station. 18 people have died, and a majority of them women and many children as well dying in the stampede. In fact, there are 9 women from the updates that are coming in. And according to the statement coming in from the Delhi police, the stampede occurred on platform 14 of the New Delhi railway station at the escalator near platform 14. Listen in. All right, the NDRF officials have confirmed the death toll in the same, and they have said that 18 people have lost their lives, and they said that the incident took place because of the overcrowding, because of the 2 trains arriving late. My colleagues Pradeep Datta as well as Tejshri joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep, the questions remain on what went wrong and what led to the stampede. What are the details?
Yes, you're absolutely right. This is the million-dollar question. Each one of them are seeking answer to that question, that what really went wrong. But one thing is quite clear, that there was a kind of a mismanagement. Because one, there had been excessive sale of tickets. Second, that there was a delay in the train. That's what actually the authorities have already admitted. And third, what the people here are saying, that all of a sudden there was an announcement that led people to move from the platform number 14 towards 16. I've got an eyewitness with us. He's running, in fact, an eatery stall here at the railway station, just at platform number 14. आपने क्या कल देखा, क्या हुआ क्या?
कल सर इतनी भीड़ थी, भगदड़ भी बहुत मची थी यहाँ पे, और 12 नंबर पे भी बहुत भीड़, इस पे भी भीड़ थी, और 16 नंबर वाले पे भी भीड़ थी इस पे. इधर प्रयागराज एक्सप्रेस का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था, इधर मडवाड़ी का हुआ था. दोनों गाड़ियों का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ, उधर की पब्लिक इधर आई, वो 16 नंबर की भी आई.
आपने कभी ऐसी भीड़ देखी, आप यहाँ होते?
अभी तक कभी नहीं देखी 12 साल के अंदर.
ये वजह क्या रही, अचानक क्यों भगदड़ कैसे मची?
ये सर शनिवार का दिन था, लोग बाग छुट्टी होती है, कल छुट्टी थी और आज भी छुट्टी है. अब कल नहा के आ जाएंगे, इस मारे ज्यादा भीड़ होगी.
तो क्या देखा आपने जब ये भगदड़ मची, तो क्या हुआ उस समय?
भगदड़ हुई थी, पुल है छोटा, ये जैसे पब्लिक भागे एकदम से, कुछ लोग, ये सामने वाला पुल है. हाँ, ये वाला सामने वाला पुल है, इसी भगदड़, इसी पुल पे मची थी भगदड़.
फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर इसमें लोग बाग दब गए हैं नीचे, कुछ लोग मर गए भी हैं, कुछ लोग बच गए भी हैं.
तो
हमारा
उन्हें बचाने के लिए कोई यहाँ से गया?
हाँ, यहाँ पे आरपीएफ जीआर पर सब थे, यहाँ पे सब निकाल के ले गए थे हॉस्पिटल, दवाई करवाई है उनकी सब लोगों को.
काफी बड़ा अजीब सा मंजर रहा होगा, बड़ा दुखद मंजर रहा.
हाँ, बहुत हो रहा था. अम्मी को तो ऊपर बैठ गए थे इसके दुकान के, यहाँ सामान चोरी हो गया था हमारा भी बहुत. हमने बहुत सामान बांटा, जो दिक्कत हो गई थी, पानी वगैरह मैंने भाई पियो.
So he says that when the tragedy took place, he tried to help people out. He tried to distribute water, whatever little he could do. But he says that he never seen such a kind of a jam-packed platform. Because that is where actually the question is to be asked, why excessive sale of tickets? Why they did not anticipate that such thing can really happen? Because there was some problem with the crowd management. See, right now they have taken certain measures. Why such measures were not taken yesterday? Because people were, let me show you. This is the platform number 14. This is the place where actually the people were waiting for a Prayagraj train, and the train was delayed, and all of a sudden there was an announcement, and after that announcement they started rushing towards that bridge, and that's the bridge where they started rushing, and it was only after that there was a surge of the crowd that led to stampede, and people got suffocated. 18 people lost their life, which included 14 women. But life is no more going to be similar for them, because let me show you. Because if you look at the visuals yesterday, there were people were lying here, the belongings were lying here, though the staircase has been cleaned, it has been cleared, but still the telltale signs are there. There are still bottles lying here on the rooftop. You can find that narrates the story of tragedy, that narrates the story of trauma. Within 10 minutes, the life for the people changed forever. They lost their near and dear one. They never thought that those 10 minutes can be so traumatic for them. You can see the sandals are lying there, eatables are lying there, those juice bottles, water bottles, whatever they were carrying, they were lying there. Many of them were littered over the staircase. The staircase has now been cleared, but the 10 minutes narrates the story of tragedy and trauma that has changed their life forever, because nobody had imagined that this is going to be the ending for them, because they had moved out of their homes, moving to their respective destination, because they wanted to offer prayers at Kumbh Mela, offer prayers so that their prayers can be answered for their better, prosperous future. But all of a sudden, when they came out to this place, there was a stampede. Because of the stampede, the people started tumbling over each other. They got suffocated. 18 people, which included 14 women, have lost their life. Now, inquiry has been ordered. Is that enough?
All right, my apologies for interrupting you, Pradeep. Let's get more breaking updates coming in. Ashwini Vaishnav has now ordered a probe. A high-level inquiry has now been ordered into the same. He has also said that he is deeply saddened by the incident. The Railways Ministry ordering a probe to find out what happened and what led to this stampede. Tetri is also live with us. Tetri, a high-level inquiry has been ordered to find out what led to this chaos, because questions continue to be raised on the mismanagement of the situation. If there was overselling of the tickets, if there was a delay in the trains, then why were the authorities not prepared?
Well, absolutely. That is why a high-level inquiry has been ordered in this entire matter. And in fact, I am reporting from the LNJP hospital where the injured have been brought. And not just that, but what we are getting to know is that as of now, the number of death toll is 18. And in fact, here we are reporting from LNJP hospital where the ambulances are coming in. Not just that, but also remember that the security has also been increased over here. And also, in fact, what we are getting to know, as you have rightly mentioned, that Ashwini Vaishnav, the Union Railway Minister, has already, in fact, mentioned on his social media handle that a high-level inquiry has been, in fact, ordered in this entire matter. And now we'll have to see that what transpires in this entire inquiry is that, how this entire incident took place, what was the reason behind it. And you can see in the visuals that what kind of security is deployed over here. Back-to-back ambulances are being, in fact, coming over here at the place where we are reporting from now. And in fact, we are reporting from LNJP hospital. In fact, back-to-back tweets are coming in, and in fact, Ashwini Vaishnav had already tweeted that Delhi Police and RPF had reached around 12 midnight, and in fact, injured were taken to the hospital, and special trains were being run to evacuate. Sudden rush at the New Delhi railway station, and in fact, we also saw the visuals from the New Delhi railway station where the several individuals were injured, and then the injured were brought over here at the LNJP railway station. Well, we'll have to see that how many are injured and how many, what is the actually death toll who have been, in fact, brought over here, and what is the condition of them here at LNJP hospital.
Okay, all right. In fact, we also spoke to multiple eyewitnesses who spoke about what led to this stampede. Let's listen in.
लोगों से पता चल रहा है कि भगदड़ मच गई है, इतने लोग के साथ प्रॉब्लम हुई है, कोई अपडेशन नहीं है वैसे।
अचानक भीड़ भी बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है ना, भीड़ बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है अचानक। हम लोग यहीं ऑटो चलाते हैं, अचानक यहाँ पे पब्लिक इतना ना इकट्ठा हो गया है, बहुत ज्यादा भगदड़ हो गया है।
किस तरह की भीड़ थी यहाँ पे?
कुंभ मेले जाने वाले लोग पूरा यहाँ भीड़ लगा रखे हैं।
तो जिस वक्त भगदड़ थी आप यहीं मौजूद थे?
हाँ, हम लोग यहीं मौजूद थे।
क्या हालात हुई थी यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे हालात अचानक बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ बन गई, पब्लिक अचानक, पुलिस वाले प्रशासन ने अचानक पब्लिक को हटाना शुरू किया।
तो बाहर में एम्बुलेंस वगैरह अचानक से पहुंची?
हाँ, एम्बुलेंस आया, जिप्सी उप्सी बहुत वगैरह आया और भीड़ को हटाया गया।
तो जब तक एम्बुलेंस आई था आप लोग को जानकारी नहीं थी भगदड़ हुआ है?
नहीं, इसके पहले जानकारी नहीं थी, ये अचानक भगदड़ हुई है।
So, New Delhi railway station is where the unfortunate tragedy took place, and this is a railway station in the national capital. Has now the crowd management mechanism been put in place or not? Let's find out. We took a word from Pradeep Datta. Let's also speak to my colleague Shivam, who's joining us from the Old Delhi railway station. So, Shivam, there are a lot of concerns over the preparedness of the railway stations, the authorities at these stations. What's the situation there?
Pratibha, when we talk about the management, especially at the time of such event, when we are expecting a lot of crowds to turn up on railway station and on various places of, interstate transport, certain things need to be considered. First of all, being the crowd management. Now, certain observation that we have made from this particular station is that few minutes ago, a single train comes on this platform number 11, and within minutes, shoulders starts rubbing into each other. It is difficult to walk on these platforms. Imagine just a single train doing this situation with you. That becomes worse because of the stairs, because there are certain in the railway station there is no dedicated stairs for going up or coming down. So imagine the thousands of people going up from the same stairs, coming down from the same stairs. That is where it becomes more dangerous, because there are chances of people falling, tripping onto each other and causing a major break. Third one, the announcement. Now, we are here from the morning. A train has been delayed for more than 7 hours, and you see the passengers who are waiting for the train, who have traveled all the way from Punjab, coming to Delhi to take a train to Prayagraj or to Bihar, are now sitting, having their breakfast, trying to spend time because the train is now delayed for more than 7 hours, 7.5 hours, and they don't have any other option. They are stuck at this platform. What leads to another confusion is that at the same time, train for the same destination from Prayagraj is also on platform number 6. So we have heard a lot of passengers saying that we don't have any option in this train, so we will go to that train even if we don't have ticket, because it's a 12-hour journey. It's a dedicated 12-hour journey where you have planned certain things. You have a certain plan for the upcoming days as well. So when the train gets delayed, these passengers who don't have the tickets are left with no other option according to them but to travel in other train where they don't have the tickets, and that is where that particular train, the second train, gets flooded with people, because yes, there are passengers already present, but because of a delay in one train, passengers of this train are also putting excessive pressure on that particular train. That is where it becomes really problematic. So there are certain things that should have been kept in mind while thinking of a major achievement, because we have seen the global advertisement happening about the management all across the nation, that you need to that we are inviting you to come. It is a holy event. Yes, it is a holy event, but what about the management? We have seen a lot of visuals of people trying to barge into the trains, and
Yes.
what happened last night at New Delhi railway station was also one of the examples of the mismanagement of the crowd, of not anticipating the level of crowd that could turn
Yes.
up, of the delay in trains and coming at the same time, of the announcement of change platforms.
Absolutely.
These situations which are still present at the old Delhi station were yesterday at the New Delhi station
Okay,
as
all
well.
right, because
So these are certain-
there have been multiple incidents of overcrowding that have been reported, multiple railway stations reporting that passengers much larger than the actual capacity of the train had turned up at the railway station. So was there unpreparedness on part of the authorities? We also spoke to some of the eyewitnesses and victims. Let's listen in.
We are currently present at platform number 16, and this is where people are also alleging that a stampede-like situation was created here as well, and there was a lot of ruckus created. We'll open this up, have a conversation with the people who are key eyewitnesses. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, आपने क्या देखा, अपना नाम बताएं पहले।
मेरा नाम सालू सिंह है जी। जो औरत लेडीज जिसका कांड हुआ है, जो भी घटना हुआ, ये हमारे आंख के सामने हुआ, और वो लेडीज ये बात हमसे खुद तक बोल रही थी कि बाबू लग रहा है मैं नहीं बचूंगी।
ये देखा आप लोगों ने देखा क्या?
मैंने ये चीज देखा कि वो इतनी दबी हुई थी, इतनी ज्यादा दबी हुई थी।
कितने लोग थे, कितने लोग आप बोल रहे हो?
बहुत लोगों की तो कोई कमी नहीं है मैडम,
गिनती नहीं हो सकती, इतने सारे लोग थे।
उसकी गिनती नहीं है।
और वहाँ पे कितने लोग आपको लगा कि दबे हुए हैं?
अरे बहुत लोग दबे हुए हैं, उसमें तो गिनती नहीं है। बहुत से
जो भीड़ थी
अच्छा,
बहुत ही ज्यादा तादाद में भीड़ थी, जिसके वजह से लोग भागदौड़ी में कुछ लोग दब गए पैरों के नीचे, जो उठ नहीं पाए।
आपके सामने आप कह रहे हैं कि आपने देखा लोगों का दम घुट रहा था, वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? वहाँ पे उनको कोई बचाने निकला?
पुलिस वाले एक थे जो कंट्रोल कर रहे थे, मगर उनका कंट्रोल का बाहर था। अच्छा ये बताइए, आप अगर खुद हम लोग अपनी जान नहीं बचा पाए तो फिर दूसरे को कैसे बचा?
आप लोग वहाँ से कैसे निकले?
निकले अपने सांस।
There is a lot of panic here. You can see they're still recounting the horror. क्या बोल रहे हैं मैम? क्या हुआ? अपना नाम बताएं।
गुड़िया सिंह।
हुआ क्या?
अरे बहुत भीड़ में हम लोग दबे हुए थे, इतने हम लोग जान ऐसे फंसा के कोई लेके जा रहा था, कहीं हाथ जा रहा है, कहीं पैर फंस रहा है, कहीं चुन्नी फंस रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ था।
आप लोगों ने भी देखा? क्या देखा? अपना नाम बताएं मैम।
श्वेता।
क्या देखा आपने?
भीड़ बहुत थी, जितनी भी गाड़ी आती थी सब उसमें आदमी एकदम भरे जाते थे।
अच्छा, तो आप वहाँ से अपनी जान बचा के कैसे भागी?
हम लोग बहुत भीड़ था, हम लोग साइड में ही थे, हम लोग भीड़ में नहीं गए थे।
So you can see here people are still extremely panicky and stating that they saw a lot of crowd. Isha with Manmeet for Times Now.
So you heard many of the eyewitnesses who spoke about what happened. They spoke about the panic and the chaos that was witnessed. And for the passengers, they still fear that such an incident could take place. The Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has ordered a high-level inquiry, but we also spoke to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, who was at the railway station. Here's what he said.
Has inquiry been ordered in this regard? You have taken the stock of the situation, sir?
जो घटना घटी पीड़ादायक है।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर इस समय जो लोग जिनके घायल हुए हैं और जो
घायल हुए हैं उनके परिवारों के प्रति श्रद्धांजलि है और ऐसी घटना न पुनरावृत्ति हो इसके लिए प्रयास करें।
आप हॉस्पिटल भी सर गए थे उनके लिए घटना को आप सर हॉस्पिटल भी गए थे मिलने के लिए अभी भगदड़ के
सर किस तरीके से मामले की जांच होगी?
लोगों का यहाँ पे कहना है कि ये शिफ्टिंग की वजह से हुआ, कभी एक जगह से कभी दूसरी जगह से, अनाउंसमेंट की वजह से।
मैं अभी उतरा हूँ उम्र से, सारी घटना की जानकारी।
सर कई सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं कि जब भी अनुमान था कि लोगों की भारी भीड़ होगी,
क्राउड मैनेजमेंट कहते प्रॉपर्ली नहीं है।
जो भी घटना घटी है पीड़ादायक है और हम सब ऐसी घटना की पुनरावृत्ति न हो और उनके परिवार के प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करते हैं।
So we continue getting you these ground reports as well as the horror that the eyewitnesses have spoken about. Much more after a very short break. Do stay with us.